In a surprising turn of events, Binance, the world's premier cryptocurrency exchange, has declared its intention to phase out support for the BUSD stablecoin. This video explores the reasons behind this decision, key dates in the BUSD transition, and the alternatives available to users. Join us as we delve into the cryptocurrency landscape's evolving dynamics. Welcome to another exciting episode of Cryptowini, your go-to source for all things cryptocurrency. We have a groundbreaking announcement to discuss, so make sure you stick around till the end. But before we dive in, remember to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Also, for more in-depth information on this topic and other cryptocurrency-related content, be sure to visit our blog site at www.cryptowini.com. Now, let's get started. The decision to phase out BUSD. In a surprising turn of events, Binance has decided to discontinue support for the BUSD stablecoin. But why? Well, it all started when Paxos halted the creation of new BUSD tokens earlier this year. Binance's CEO, Changpeng Zhao, had hinted at BUSD's gradual decline, but the timeline remained uncertain. However, the abrupt discontinuation of BUSD loans with just a week's notice suggests that these timelines have been accelerated. The BUSD transition timeline. Let's break down the BUSD transition timeline so you can stay in the know. September 7, 2023, at 6 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, BUSD borrowings on the cross-margin will cease. October 19, 2023, at 6 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, no new BUSD collateral will be accepted. September 7, 2023, at 0000 Coordinated Universal Time, withdrawals of Binance Peg BUSD through various networks will come to a halt. However, there's a twist. BUSD, ERC20, transactions via Ethereum will continue until further notice. So, if you're an Ethereum enthusiast, you're not left out. Embracing FDUSD. Binance encourages its users to explore alternatives like First Digital USD, FDUSD, a stablecoin introduced by Hong Kong's First Digital Group. The stablecoin made its debut on the Binance platform in late July, offering a stable haven for your digital assets. 2 months before the announcement, Binance introduced 8 BUSD trading pairs on its margin trading platform. The strategic move comes at a time when Binance faces increased regulatory scrutiny and recent concerns regarding its native token, BNB. What is BUSD stablecoin? But wait, what exactly is BUSD? Well, BUSD stands for Binance USD. It's a stablecoin, a cryptocurrency engineered to maintain consistent value by pegging it to a real-world asset, typically the US dollar. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, issues BUSD. It operates on Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain platforms. Binance's decision to phase out BUSD reflects the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. Regulatory changes, issuer decisions, and market dynamics have prompted this shift. While it marks the end of an era for BUSD, it opens up new opportunities for users to explore alternative stablecoins like FDUSD and navigate the evolving crypto landscape. Thanks for joining us on this crypto update. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. And remember, for more in-depth content and the latest updates, visit our blog site at www.cryptowini.com. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency world. We'll see you in the next episode.